What's up, guys? It's your boy Techie back again with another amazing video. And in today's video, we are going to discuss something that is a secret, something that most people are not aware of because this is only known to the developers and the advanced members. So, this feature is known as the developer settings. The funny thing about this is that even if you search it, you can't find it. I'll go to settings and I'll go to search settings and I'll type developer. Uh, yeah, now it will only show me device model and I click on it and you can see that's it pretty much. But now I'm talking about something else. Now I'll show you something else as well, which is I'll go to add additional settings and I'll show you this. The last thing here is enterprise mode. After that there's no other option given, right? Now I'll go back and we'll go to about phone. I'll click 7 times on this MIUI version. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, and it will show me you are now a developer. And now I'll go back and I'll go to additional settings. Yeah, I'll scroll down and you can see another option which was not there earlier. I'll click on it and now we'll be talking about what is developer settings. I mean, why is it hidden? Why even most people are not aware of this? Yeah, I'll tell you. Because this is an amazing feature, but a feature that is not always required by people. Like, let's discuss it step by step. The first feature given here is stay awake. This is whenever I'm charging my phone will never go to sleep. It will always be on, due to which I'll know that it is being charged. Moving on to the second feature, which is OEM unlocking. Now, one thing to note here is that this feature is fun as well as dangerous. It is important yet dangerous because in this feature you will see one thing, that this feature does one thing for you, which is if maybe your phone, you have forgotten the password of your phone and you want to open it, it will help you in unlocking the phone very quickly. Or if you want to root your phone, this will help you. This is the feature you are looking for. But the problem here is that maybe if you have turned it on and someone else finds your phone, it is easier for them also. And if you have not turned this on, you will have more time. Yes, it's true, they can still open your phone, but you will have more time and you can search for your phone with the help of android.com find. Now we'll move on to next thing, that is this dark theme. Now there are basically two themes, light and dark, and I have shown it in my previous video. The link for that video will be given in the description. You can watch it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Now I'll show you something else, which is known as demo mode. If I click on it, you can read, when demo mode is on, the clock in the status bar will stop, battery and signal icons will be displayed as full. You can turn on demo mode off or reboot the device to change this. So yeah, basic thing is that if you have turned it on, everything will be like it is in a brand new phone. Like you can say this phone is on a display and you are looking for a new phone and you see it. That's it. Now you can see lock screen when trust is lost. Most people don't know actually what it is, and not many people have made proper videos or accurate videos on this. And actually I'm not making exactly a video on this, but I'll be telling you the basics of this. The basic thing is that if you have linked this phone to any Bluetooth device, maybe your smartwatch or your or anything in your, maybe in your car or with any other phone, whenever you have your Bluetooth is connected to them, you can open your phone directly. But as soon as you disconnect your Bluetooth, your phone will turn off and you have to open it via a screen pattern, the screen lock that you have set up. That's pretty much it. Now I'll be moving on to USB debugging. USB debug is used for some things, like if you want to root your phone with the help of a laptop or a computer, or if you want to share your screen on a laptop, computer, PC, TV, anything, then yes, you have to turn on this feature. And this feature is used by a lot of people, maybe businessmen or the CA or the YouTubers also. Now we'll move further, and now we'll see this. Now, yeah, you can see this. Force activities to be resizable and enable freeform windows. Yeah, there are a lot of features in between, but we are not going to discuss them. Now we'll discuss force activities to be resizable. The thing about this is I have made a video on split screen that is also given in the description. But yeah, please watch it. Though the thing here is that there are some apps that do not support split screen, like maybe games like Free Fire, PUBG, COD, or there are some other apps also. If you enable this, which is force activities to be resizable and enable free from windows, then no matter what you are opening, literally no matter what you are opening, you can use split screen on anything, literally anything. Like, you know how games are usually opened, they require the full space and they cannot be and only not they cannot be split. But in this, when I enable free form windows, there's nothing. You for It can be used for experimental free form windows, due to which you can literally, not kidding, you can use it for anything. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe.